Welcome back to Lucore Automotive Services. Today we're working on Roush Racing Mustang, which is a pretty unique little ride. I don't see these running around too often, but this one's pretty nice. Got the side pipes, thunder tubes. Like a 40,000 mile Survivor. Hasn't run into any crowds yet. I like that color. Now let's get this in on the rack. I gotta adjust some coilovers for better ride. I think he's got a brake caliper hanging up and we're gonna do an alignment on it. Pretty basic stuff for our general repair shop. It's short. Ooh, it is a scorcher today. It's gonna be in the upper, well, mid 90s, I think they're calling for it today. It's gonna be rough. All right, let's go for a ride. Turn signal on, he's not turning. Oh, he's coming to the shop. I wouldn't say rides horribly. One of 3 certified by Roush Performance in 2000 in Sunburst Gold. 40,524 miles. Well, she rides pretty smooth. Steering wheel's not off. That's off a smidge. It's hot. I wonder if his AC works. It is a cooker of a day today. And tomorrow. Probably the next day. Brakes are effective. They don't pulsate. Sounds good. Shifts are firm. Let's see what he has for adjustment in the coilovers, because sure what I have to adjust. If they are, if we have dials for changing up the dampening, then we can certainly soften it up a little bit. What a beautiful day! Other than it being extremely hot. Oh, not too bad off the rip. Definitely needs a little bit of work. Caster's good. That's about it. Towed in pretty severe. Cross camber's a bit off. We want to see about that number on both sides. Should be good to go. Take a look at these coilovers. See what we're dealing with. Well, that's about all we got with the coilovers. The coilovers are not adjustable. Other than the height adjustment. So there's really nothing I can do to make this car ride better.
I'm not ready for these things to be historical vehicles.
Yeah, they are.
Not old enough.
They are, though.
It's got a historical plate on it. Like, I remember these cars.
Oh. I have one in the garage. It's all close with a 2000. Mine's an 01. So next year it'll have historics on it.
I almost bought one of these when these were brand new back in 1999.
This one's about as brand new as you can get, 40,000 miles.
Yeah. Great vehicle.
Yes, they are.
Got that Roush side pipes. Yeah, I almost bought one of those brand new in 1999. The owner of the dealership decided to take it to the lake instead of sell it to me. As I was standing there trying to buy it.
Sounds about right. Well, this will be pretty easy alignment. Let's make some adjustments to our camber. We'll set our toe. And then we'll take her another test drive, because, you know, that's what we do. That toe is way out of whack. Well, we're going to end up going a little more aggressive on the alignment. I was able to get the adjustments up top on the struts. I'm seeing 1.2, so I'm going to match this one at 1.2. Caster's good. There's no adjustments in the rear, so it'll be a nice aggressive street alignment. But I like my cambers to be basically within a tenth. Cross camber, cross casters, usually a ½ degree is allowable, but I like them to be much closer just because I'm particular. So let me make an adjustment to the coilover on top. Well, that's it for this Roush Racing Mustang. I'm recommending a new set of tires. His tires are actually 2013 and they're starting to dry rot. So even though they don't have any miles or any wear on them, they're getting dangerous. When they start to dry rot radially around in the tread, they can fail and take a fender out, which is exactly what you don't want to have happen on this. So it is going to need a new set of tires. Brakes look good. I lubed up the caliper slides, made sure the brake pads were free. Didn't find anything wrong with there. Made an adjustment to the shifter for the shift indicator to be aligned up correctly, and set the alignment up for a nice aggressive street car. It's gonna be a fun little car to cruise around in. Hopefully he gets it out and enjoys it for what it is. It's even hotter out now, but that's what we're gonna have for the next few days. We are in the dog days of June, about to get into the July heat, and then comes August. You know, Ohio is brutal, but we'll make it through it. We always do. Thanks for watching. Click like, subscribe, leave us a comment below. You guys have a great day. We'll see you on the next one.